Hello everyone, Marshall here from H2e Today we are talking away messages. In our last video we talked about instant replies. Really riveting stuff there. But now that you've got instant replies set up, you've got to do an away message. If you're not open 24 hours a day and you don't have customer support 24 hours a day, you're going to want to at least let people know with an away message, hey, we'll get back to you as soon as we open. Here's our address, here's a 24-hour number, here's another way to reach out to us, whatever you want to give them as kind of a quick reply. I wanted to show you how to do that. So with away messages, as of right now, you can see that H2e has them off. I just always want the automated messages to go and fire 24 hours a day. So I have my away message off. But if you want to tell people, hey, we're not open right now, we'll get right back to you at 9 a.m. when we open, or whatever time you open, whatever message you want to send in the off hours, here's where you're going to add it. So away message, how to turn it on, you're going to actually need to fill this out first. So you'll go ahead and put whatever text message you want. Let me see if I can just copy and paste this. Boom. And then you can put the time zone. Now this is going to be the actual time zone of your business. So you're going to want to go off your time zone. Then that's only going to set the hours for your business and when to run the away message. So this is not the time zone of your customers. Obviously not, because it'd be very tough to just cover one time zone. That wouldn't really work for most people. You sell in quite a few areas, you've got quite a few time zones to cover. So this is just the time zone for your away time, your business, wherever it's located. You can also then add your times. So you can say, Sunday through Saturday, we're open X to X. So what you're going to want to do is actually set your away times here, not your open times. So you can also select different days and set the times for each individual day. You can set holiday times if you'd like, but for the most part, I would just be as basic as you can and just set the away message for your 7-day-a-week schedule. Once you set the timing, you get everything set with the away message. You can, as I said, add more times, but after that, you're just going to add your message. You can customize your message, but first add just a very straightforward message. Again, we're away, we're back at this time, nothing too complicated. Possibly another way to contact us through email or something to that effect. Really, though, it just lets people know that you're away, and it'll keep the message in your inbox, so when you do have time to get back to it, you can reply back to the customer, all in one place. You can see all the messages, all the away messages that were started right in your inbox when you do start business day. Now, as far as customizing, you can add the customer's name, full name, last name, whatever you want to do, just the first name, Facebook page link, or a website or email address if you wanted to, again, add some company info. Or verify the customer's email address just so you can get back to them. But this is just for customizing, so let me just make that clear there. Yeah, so what it's going to do is add an email address of the customer. It's just logged in, to my account. But let me see if I can undo that. I won't highlight it. Anyways, put your message in, customize it, and add, let's see, we want to add the full name of the recipient, and then you want to say, we are away right now, and then whatever the message might be beyond that. But that just shows you a bit of how you can customize it, and again, this will change for whatever customer is messaging you. So it gives a little bit more personalization to your message, but it's really not needed. Most people get it. They get they're talking to a robot. They don't really give a hoot if you're putting their name in or not. However, if this is a customer support message and you really want to be as cordial and understanding as possible to customers who might have an issue, you may want to put their name in just to help personalize things further, or put a website link, email address, or something to that effect, just to let them know here's how to reach out further. Once you get everything set, you are good to go, and now you've got instant replies and away messages set up. Go ahead and hit save, and yeah, that's it. If you want to preview this in Messenger, I won't do it just because I haven't set everything up, but if you want to preview it in Messenger, you can. What it'll do is open up another tab, and then it will actually go through the Messenger steps, and you can reply back to the person just to see that the automated message does fire at the appropriate times. Outside of that, make sure you hit save. That's something people always forget. And you are set. Thanks for stopping by for another riveting video for automated responses. Have a great day. That about wraps it up for away messages. If you have any questions or haven't set up your instant replies yet, check out our other video. Message us anytime through Facebook, Instagram, email, our website, however you want to get in touch, and myself or somebody else that works here at H2e will reply right back and help you out. Hope this helps you get things set up and better respond to customers. And again, give us a shout if you ever have any questions. Have a great day.